We're going to be talking about the derivatives of the trigonometric functions, and let's go through them now. Let's start with the basic three. Now, keep in mind that when you're talking about these derivatives of the trigonometric functions, you can go through the long way of doing them. However, it's much easier just to do it by memorizing it. So, let's start. The sine of x, the derivative of sine of x is the cosine of x. The derivative of cosine of x is the negative sine of x. The derivative of the tangent of x is the secant squared of x. The derivative of the secant of x is the secant tangent of x. The derivative of the cosecant of x is the negative cosecant cotangent. And the derivative of the cotangent is the negative cosecant squared of x. Now, let's talk about a couple of the little nuances you might notice through this. Now, when looking at a trigonometric function, if it starts with a c, it's negative. We can take the derivative of it. Also, the opposite of the normal functions are basically the same as the normal functions, except for the secant and cosecant. They're kind of weird, but mainly cotangent is just cosecant, tangent is secant, and they're both squared. And then only the tangents are the squared ones. The secant and cosecant is just take what you already have and add a tangent, or what you already have and add a cotangent. And that's all of the trigonometric functions.